Hey guys, Dr. Axe here. So excited you can be with me here today. Today I'm going to share with you why I believe everybody should be taking doTERRA's LLV, that's Lifelong Vitality Pack. And also, this surprises some people, but doTERRA's #1 best-selling product isn't their individual essential oils. It actually is their supplement kit, the LLV. And so this is a 3-pack supplement kit that really supports your body and really helps your body get all of those nutrients that you might be missing on a daily basis and covers a lot of ground. So I'm going to go over exactly how to take these and the benefits of taking them and what's in here. This first supplement is called Plex Vmz, and this is a whole food multivitamin and supplement. And so this really is covering all of your vitamins and minerals and the things you might be missing on a regular basis. And the unique thing about this multivitamin is that it really has its nutrients in whole food form. You may not know this, but 95% of supplement manufacturers out there today are filling their vitamins with things that are literally made of rocks and mineral salts that are not absorbable by the body. In fact, the most common calcium supplement today, calcium carbonate, your body can only absorb about 5% of that calcium because it's not in its whole food form. And the great thing about doTERRA and their Lifelong Vitality Pack and their Plex multivitamin is that it contains vitamins and minerals in their whole food form. And they actually were very wise in some of the things they put in here in their overall dosage. For instance, this actually has higher levels of vitamin D3. And we know vitamin D is essential for supporting your immune system. Similar thing with higher levels of vitamin C. It has 170% daily value of vitamin C. Also, it's very high in specific B vitamins, as well as other nutrients. You can see they even have broccoli and spirulina and other whole food factors in here that are great for your body. So again, one of the things I love here about the multivitamin is that it's in its whole food form. You're covering your bases. And so many of us today are nutritionally deficient and missing something. This helps you cover your bases. The next one here, this is one of my favorites. I believe this is one of the most unique supplements on the market, and this is our Afacerea supplement. And this really is for supporting cellular energy and natural cleansing. And so some of the incredible compounds that you're going to find in Afacerea include milk thistle. And by the way, milk thistle is known as the king of detoxifying herbs. It's been shown to detoxify your body and cleanse your body from a number of things and support the function of the liver and your cells. The other thing that's in here is Boswellia serrata, and that is a compound that comes from frankincense, and it has been shown to balance out inflammation levels in the body. And so we know that frankincense has many, many benefits. Also, it contains green tea extract. We know green tea extract contains the antioxidants EGCG, that stands for epigalactic catechin, and we know that that has been shown to be beneficial at supporting your body's metabolism as well as high antioxidant levels. And so one of the things about this Afacerea, it is super high in phytonutrients and antioxidants from superfood and plant-based compounds from around the world. Also, this contains turmeric and curcumin. We know that turmeric, in fact, just go online. There are tens of thousands of studies out there on the benefits of getting turmeric in your diet, and we have a very, very high quality form of turmeric in this supplement, which also supports inflammation in the liver. And then last but not least, grapeseed extract. If you've ever heard of things like also resveratrol and other nutrients can be found in this overall formula. Quercetin, coenzyme Q10, ginkgo biloba, and also some of these have an essential oil matrix around them, so they're even more absorbable and digestible. And so again, Afacerea, especially for supporting cellular function of the body, it is so important and a great supplement to take. And then last but not least is our XEO Omega. And this Omega supplement really has a balanced level of omegas. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil, but also has unique omega-3 fats from flax oil as well. And so again, it has fish oil, has flax oil, also contains something called borage oil, which is GLA, which has been shown to help support hormones in both men and women, and then also contains the antioxidant astaxanthin. It's that dark-colored antioxidant that you find in wild-caught salmon that gives salmon that reddish color, and it actually is very, very supportive for the body in terms of protecting your overall cells and body. And so again, there's a lot of fish oil supplements out there today where the oils actually have gone rancid. They're not high quality in terms of the oils anymore. This has actually the antioxidants with the oils to keep the oils healthy and usable by the body. So this is also one of my favorite supplements for an omega supplement. And again, I would say again, 90% of the oil supplements out there today, the fish oil supplements are junk. This is a good quality balanced fish oil supplement that you can take as well. And the directions on all of these bottles is to take 2 caps twice a day. So 2 caps 2 times a day is the ideal ratio. And this LLV Lifelong Vitality Pack is meant to be taken on a consistent basis year-round. I would recommend putting it on your auto ship order on a regular basis. And again, there are 3 very unique supplements. And remember, there is a reason why this is doTERRA's #1 seller. And the reason being, I know for myself, is I've had so many people start taking the LLV supplement, and they've been sending me testimonials and success stories saying, I cannot believe that this supplement kit changed my life. You know, a lot of times when you take supplements, you don't feel anything and you don't notice a difference. The thing I can tell you about the supplement kit, you will feel it and you will notice a difference taking it. So again, take my advice, take LLV. There's a reason why it's one of the top selling supplement kits in the world today. And this has been my tip for a better, healthier you. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. This has been Dr. Axe with my essential oils tips.